Assalamu guys, Irfan back again with another video. These days almost all of us have to make or give presentations at work, and at times it would be great if we can also show a video within the presentation that we are giving, just to make a point more clear, or just to emphasize on a point, or make the presentation more interesting, if you will. One of the most popular tools for giving presentations is PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint, part of the Microsoft Office productivity suite. And one of the most popular platforms for sharing videos is YouTube. What if you would like to include a YouTube video in your presentation? Now, one way would be to download a video from YouTube and insert that into your PowerPoint presentation. That may not necessarily be the best way to do that, because there might be some copyright implications, and therefore what we will do is, instead of downloading a YouTube video, what we'll do is we will insert the video in a PowerPoint presentation. So whenever we actually play the presentation, it's going to download, it's going to play it off the net, so right off the internet from the YouTube site, but it's going to be playing within your PowerPoint presentation. So you would not have to switch, minimize, come out of your PowerPoint presentation, minimize it, and then go to a browser and open up your browser, open up YouTube on the browser, and then find the video that you want to play and then play it. This way you'll have the video playing within your PowerPoint presentation itself. There are two different ways of doing this, and I'm going to be showing you both ways. So let's get started. Incidentally, okay, let's come back to that point. I'll just park it for right now. I have a PowerPoint presentation built up here, and I've got two blank slides also here, and what I'll do is I will use these to embed two different PowerPoint presentations in two different ways, so you can see how to do it in both ways. So let's get started. This is the first blank screen that we have, blank slide that we have, and we would be inserting a PowerPoint presentation here. So click on insert, and you click pull down the video, and then online video. Now this would give you two options, the YouTube and a video embedded code. So what we'll do is we'll do the video embedded code first. So let's switch to our browser, and say for example this video here, urge to mail merge. Let me just open that. Now let's assume that I'm going to pause this. That's the video that you want to embed in your PowerPoint slide. So you click on share, and then you click on this embed link, and that gives you the embed code. So you copy that, go back to your PowerPoint, and you paste it over here, and then the right arrow for insert, you click on that. Now what it's doing is there'll be a pause. Actually what it is doing is it is bringing the link down from the net for this video. There you go, and now you can resize it, and I'm just going to put a heading on it so we know which one this is. This is the using embed code. Okay, now there is a second way of doing this. I told you at the beginning of the video that we will be doing this in two different ways. So let me just play this first one. So if let's assume you're just you're going to be using the first way of doing this. So if we were to actually play the video, this is the title screen. Hit space or down arrow to go to the next slide, and that's your slide that will show your YouTube video using the embed code. And it has the YouTube play button, and if you click on that, and you see how it gives you it gives you the same. I'm just gonna pause this so I don't have to talk over and above the music. So this gives you the same interface as YouTube. Okay, now I'm just gonna hit escape and come out of this, and now what we'll do is we will embed a YouTube video using a different method. Let me just put a heading here so we know what this is, and this method would be the shockwave. Okay, now for this method you need to have the developer tab activated. Now you may already have that on your PowerPoint, but in case you do not, the way you do this, the way you do get the tab up here, you go to File, Options, and Customized Ribbon, and over here you make sure that Developer tab is checked. Okay, so that will give you the Developer tab. You click on here, and then let me just zoom in here. See this like a spanner and a screwdriver? That is actually Mo controls. I'm just going to zoom out. You click on here and it'll give you a drop down. It'll give you a new menu opens up, and you select the shockwave flash object. Click on OK. And you insert the object like so. Okay. Now we'll go back to our browser, and this time what we'll do is we'll pick up a different video so we can actually see a difference. Let's see. Say for example you want to do the 3 to 1 backup rule. So you right click on it, copy link address, go back to your PowerPoint. Now over here anyway on this shockwave control, what you do is you do a right click and open the property sheet. Let me zoom in. Over here where it says movie, click here and you paste that link to the video. Now what you need to do is where it says watch and a question mark, you delete that, you leave the V over there, and this equal to sign, you delete that and put a forward tab slash, and let me zoom out, forward slash, and that's it. And so let's close this. There you go. Now let's play this video, display this presentation again, and let's see how that looks. Oops, sorry. Okay, so that would be your title screen maybe. The next slide that is going to show you the YouTube video using the embedded code. That was we embedded the video, the mail merge video, thinking maybe what you're doing is you're doing a presentation on Microsoft Office Productivity Suite for Microsoft, and using mail the ability to do mail merge using Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Word is what you're teaching whoever's watching this presentation. So this would be how you would insert the video, the YouTube video, using the embedded code, and it gives you the play button. It gives you the exact same interface as I'm just gonna, there you go, pause it, and gives you the exact same interface as YouTube, and you're watching this video on YouTube website or on your smartphone. Let's hit space or down here to go to the next slide. Actually, now here's the shockwave control. Again, it looks exactly the same as it would on on the mic on the YouTube site. It takes a minute for it to actually link up and starts playing. And that's how you would. These are two ways that you can include videos right from YouTube on your PowerPoint presentations. Now, like I had mentioned at the beginning of the video, why would you be want doing this? One reason why you would want to do this is, number one, to keep the size of your presentation small. You might be sending this presentation through email, and people who are receiving it may have limitation on the size of the file that they can receive, or they have slower net, so it's more troublesome for them to download larger files. And this way, it's just a link, and whenever they open this file, it connects to the internet and then plays it from the YouTube. That could be one of the reasons. The second reason could be, if you notice here, I don't have this YouTube filling the whole screen. What I could do is I could have a nice title on the top, or I could have some animations happening at the top. I could have my company logo showing here, so I could have branding. I could do some custom branding, and that would say, they would stay on the screen along with the video playing, along with it. So those are the two ways essentially how you would include YouTube videos in your PowerPoint presentation. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more videos like this, I would request that you subscribe, and that would also support this channel. Thank you.